snowfall warning now, Holly.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for
Well, I've been able to hear my
County
town.
in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County, Somerset County, northwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Milford to Norristown, moving east at 45 miles.
That's it right there.
Hazard, snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 342 and 349. Northeast extension between mile markers 24 and 50. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 71. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 59 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 20. Locations impacted include Allentown, Trenton, Somerville, Somerset, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Ewing, Pottstown, Lansdale, Middlesex, East Norton, Princeton, Emmaus, Bound Brook, Manville, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, and Hatboro. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.